Hi, I am Savannah Polson. If this is the first time that you have been here or seen me live, or if you're new to my page, welcome. Thanks for being here. And tonight I am going to show you how to take a daytime look to an evening, more glam look in just a few minutes. So this is my makeup. I did it this morning pretty quickly, and I've just worn it all day, haven't touched any of it up. And so this is what I am going to be working with. So this was my simple basic face this morning. I have one. I'm just going to show you basically how to amp this up. So ready? It's gonna take no time from here on. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Black Friday eyeliner. It's this cream eyeliner right here, and I have it with all of my creams. And I am taking my Multitasker brush, just the fatter side of the Multitasker, and I am just going to smudge this line here a little bit more. All right, so amped up there, and I'm just going to take it a little bit underneath my eyes, just because I feel like getting a little darkness underneath your eyes is always just a little bit, I don't know, more dramatic. So there we go. We took that a little bit darker in just a simple minute. And now I'm going to take my finger, actually, and I'm going to use this one, Blondie, right here. And I'm just taking my finger with my giant long nails, and I'm just pressing this over top. So you don't have to get super fancy with it. Just press it on. Ta-da. And then kind of gauge, okay, do you want like subtle, a little subtle glam, or do you want to add a little bit more and really glitz out your top eye? Because you totally can. Just go crazy with it and glitz out that top eye. Just like that. So you can see how that's transformed in just a simple minute as well. And so now I'm going to switch to my eyeshadow everything brush, and I'm going to come in with Georgia Illuminator, and I'm just going to add a little bit of brightness right here on my inner corners. And you can even add a tiny bit more underneath your brow if you really want to make things shimmer. Just like that. Okay, if you want, you can leave your eyes like that, I feel like it's nice and subtle, but it's also catching a lot of light and adding a lot of interest. But if you're like, no, I want like a little bit more drama, then just grab a dark color like Philly and simply swipe this on just right where your eye would open. So you can open your eye and kind of gauge right where that's gonna be. This works for any eye shape, hooded eyes, anything like that. All right, and next I'm going to run over my lips with a tiny bit more contour. I'm gonna take my Indigo contour right here to make my lips pop a little bit more. I'm gonna go right underneath here. And you're trying to just accentuate the shadow right below your lip, and then accentuate the shape of your upper lip here. And now I'm going to throw some of this Sandstone a little darker on the edges. As I'm coming towards the center, I'm lightening up. And then I am going to throw a tiny bit of this rose gold illuminator right here in the center to add a little bit of a pop and visual interest. And then I'm topping the whole thing off with lip conditioner. So it's basically like covering it in a chapstick, and it'll make it feel really nice and conditioned, but it also just adds to kind of that seamless glow that you have going on with your lips. Finally, I am just going to come in with a tiny bit of Sunlit highlight and just go down the top of my nose, because I just want a touch more centered focus right there. And then I am going to finish it off with Illuminator. So I'm just like going crazy with my fingers here, but I feel like if you're in a hurry and you're just like trying to glam it up, don't be afraid to just, you know, just get in there. Slap on some fun stuff. A little bit more glam there, a little bit more glam here. There we go. And you're done. Party ready. Ta-da! You're the best. Bye.